Hi everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Looking at the Galaxy DX-99V2. This is a tune-up report for Jarrett in North Carolina. Alright Jarrett, we're going to start with the AM power, and power turned all the way down. Alright, I got 10 watts across the top there. All the way down, it's just a nudge off of one. And if I turn it all the way up, it's just a nudge off of 10. Peak power on my 50 watt slide. That was 40. Audio, check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. 1, 2. We'll take it over to sideband. Turn this down. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Audio, check. Audio. Okay. 40 watts of sideband there. Okay. Breaker 19 for radio check.
You're loud and proud there, driver.
I appreciate it, driver. You have a great day, man.
We're right back at you.